The members of the American Concrete Pressure Pipe Association, or ACPPA, are dedicated to helping water agencies achieve complete use of their concrete pressure pipe assets, including modification for new water demands. Tapping existing concrete pressure pipe is vital for providing service to new water customers. This video shows how to tap the two most common types of concrete pressure pipe while they remain in service to existing water users. The most common types of concrete pressure pipe are pre-stressed concrete cylinder pipe, which may have the cylinder either internally lined with concrete or embedded in a concrete core, and bar-wrapped steel cylinder concrete pipe. Both types of pipe have a mortar or concrete lining, a steel cylinder, helically wrapped bar or pre-stressing wire, and an exterior mortar coating. Taps 2 inches or 50 millimeters in diameter and smaller are made by connecting corporation stops and threaded outlets to the pipe using a tapping saddle that extends around the pipe. The tapping saddle includes a gland with a rubber gasket that will provide a watertight seal against the pipe cylinder. To begin, identify the tap location on the pipe at a location away from the pipe joint and chip away mortar coating from an area slightly larger than the base of the tapping assembly gland. This exposes the helical wire or bar. Position the tapping assembly saddle over the opening in the coating and secure it to the pipe with bolted straps. Cut and remove wire or bar from inside the opening in the mortar coating and tapping saddle. This exposes the steel cylinder on either lined cylinder pre-stressed pipe or bar-wrapped steel cylinder pipe. For embedded cylinder pre-stressed pipe, removing the wire exposes the exterior of the pipe's concrete core. The exterior concrete core must be removed within the tapping saddle hole so the pipe cylinder is exposed. Check to assure the gland gasket is clean and in the gland's gasket groove. Check the pipe cylinder. If there is a weld seam on the cylinder of the pipe in the area of the tap, carefully flatten the weld so that the tapping saddle will seal on it, but do not grind the weld. Insert the gland into the saddle and secure it to the saddle with anchoring nuts. Tighten the anchoring nuts to compress the gland gasket against the pipe's steel cylinder for a watertight seal. Check the position and compression of the gasket against the steel cylinder using fingers or a feeler gauge. There should be approximately 1/8 of an inch between the gland and the pipe cylinder. Next, install the corporation stop into the tapping saddle gland. Connect the drilling machine to the corporation stop. The drilling machine should have a drill bit selected for penetrating both steel and concrete. Open the corporation stop and advance the drill bit. Cut through the pipe cylinder and the pipe's concrete or mortar lining. Once the pipe wall has been fully penetrated, retract the drill bit, close the corporation stop, and remove the drilling machine. The tapping saddle must now be protected from corrosion. Fill the space between the pipe, gland, and tapping assembly with Portland cement mortar. With the aid of a joint wrapper, apply a protective coating of Portland cement mortar at least 1 inch or 25 millimeters thick over all exposed surfaces of the tapping assembly, including the straps. This completes the threaded outlet tap. For more information, contact your local concrete pressure pipe supplier or at www.acppa.org.